we have a coordinate plane where this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now we see that these two axes have divided the plane into 4 parts, and these parts are called quadrants. This is the quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. Now if we notice that once we go on the right hand side of x-axis from the origin, we have positive numbers. And if we go on the left hand side from the origin, we have negative numbers. Similarly, if we go up from the origin, we have positive numbers on the y-axis. If we go down, we have negative numbers. Now think about this. If we plot any point in quadrant 1, its coordinates will have signs which will be positive and positive. The x coordinate and the y coordinate both are going to be positive in quadrant 1. Similarly, if we have a point in quadrant 2, its coordinates will have signs. First we write the x coordinate which is negative, and then the y coordinate which is positive. So the signs will be negative comma positive. Now for quadrant 3, any point in quadrant 3 will have negative x coordinate and negative y coordinate. Similarly for quadrant 4, any point in quadrant 4 will have positive x coordinate and negative y coordinate. So that will be positive comma negative. Now using this information, we can find out which quadrant does the coordinate lie in. Let's say we have this coordinate -5, 2. So we can clearly see it from here that -5 will lie on the left side and 2 is positive. So this is going to lie in quadrant 2, Q2, quadrant 2. This point 2, 4. Positive, positive, it lies in quadrant 1. Then we have another point 3, -2. So this is positive and negative. It lies in quadrant 4. Then we have -4, -3. Negative, negative. This lies in quadrant 3. But the thing is that we do not want to plot the point every time we want to know the quadrant. We need other way out. And we do have one way. Let's look over here. We have this information. We know it by now. How about if I tell you that, think about the quadrant 1. X coordinate is positive, y coordinate is positive. That means x coordinate or abscissa is greater than 0 and ordinate is also greater than 0. So any point which has x greater than 0 and y coordinate greater than 0 lies in Q1. Similarly for Q2, x coordinate is less than 0 and y coordinate is greater than 0. For Q3, both x and y coordinates are less than 0. For Q4, x is greater than 0 and y coordinate is less than 0. Now let us use this information and now find out the quadrant in which the coordinate will lie. So we have these coordinates. Let's try one by one. -2, 2. Now this is negative, so it lies on the left side, and this is positive. Y is positive, so it lies above the origin. So left and top, left and up, that is the second quadrant. Then we have 2, 6, positive and positive. So positive goes right and this goes up, right upside, which is Q1. Now this one, 3.5, it is positive. So we go on the right side. -1, y is negative. So we go below. So right and below, which is Q4. Now let us hide this and just try to find out the quadrants using our mental ability. Now we know where the points lie, right? So we have -4, -3. X is negative, so we go left. Y is also negative, so we go down, left and down, which is Q3. Then we have -7, 2. Do try it. Pause the video and try it. X is negative, so we go left. Y is positive, so we go up, left and up, which is Q2. Then we have 3, -6. 3 is positive, we go right. -6, we go down. So right and down, and that is Q4.